everybody, it's Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook, and today we're going to do an unboxing. Not your normal unboxing. This is one that I've got some good friends at the Fresh Market. I go there all the time. And I've gotten to be friends with a couple of the managers, and they gave me an idea of creating a video showing some of their pre-prepped meals that they sell there at the store. And so I went in and I purchased the Fresh Market kit, and this one is the Thai coconut shrimp. The reason I picked this one, I don't usually cook with Thai seasoning too much. I like coconut. Here it is, all put together. Don't have to buy anything. Just need to make sure I have a frying pan, because I saw there's a picture on the back of one. And it says it's 15 minutes to prep. Now, if you're like me, you're a visual learner. You like to see it done the first time, so here we go. Let's go ahead and take this apart here, and the price is only $18.99, so that's less than going out to eat right there for a healthy meal. Let's see what we got here. We're going to go ahead and unbox it. The instructions are on the back, so let's make sure we have the instructions right here. It says I need a frying pan. I got that. All right, I guess this is the Thai coconut sauce. Don't forget your scissors, everybody. You're going to need that here. I got the shrimp, and the shrimp is in a Ziploc bag, so that's excellent, so I don't have to worry about that. And I've got, looks like I got some seasoning here, and I got some olive oil. All right, we'll push that around. It's been in the fridge, and I got some noodles. All right, so what does it say we have to do here? It says the first thing we have to do is in a large non-stick skillet, add the olive oil and heat on high, medium-high for 1.5 minutes. So I'll tell you what we're going to do to make this where you can see everything. As you can see, I got my scissors. We're going to cut these things up. And these are already in simple pull-apart bags, so you don't have to cut anything there. Everything's prepped. How fantastic is this? So I'm going to go ahead and get my sauces and everything started. Use this tub to hold them in. All right, so everything's open. These are Ziploc. Let's go to the stove top. I'm going to show us putting this together. I'll move all the ingredients over there. Got my spoon ready to go. It says I'm going to need a plate. Got that ready too. Heck yeah. Let's do this. Preheat our pan on 1 minute to 2 minutes on medium-high heat. I'm working on that right now. We're going to go ahead. It says add half the olive oil, so I split it in half. You can see it right here. We're going to add the olive oil right there. We're going to keep our directions close by. All right. All right. So the next point here, it says add the shrimp and sprinkle with half of the seasoning. All right. Got the seasoning right here. We'll divide that in half in just a second. Got the shrimp right here. It comes in this nice little bag. Add the shrimp right in. There it goes. Like I said, it helps to pre-open everything. That's about half of the seasoning. Turn it down just a little bit. Stir that around. And it says cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until the flesh is pearly and opaque. All right. Now it says we're going to have to transfer to a plate, so I've got that here. Didn't say to do this, but I think you should just move around just a little bit. Try to keep it from sticking. Good with any cooking. All right, I'm going to turn the timer off. 2 minutes have gone by, and that says to turn it. We'll turn it. Once again, folks, this smells really good. Oh, we've turned them all. Set that timer again. I'm probably just going to go 2 minutes and look at it, see once it turns that color. It's getting close. Very important that you just don't assume the package is correct. Sometimes your stovetop may be a little different. Your pan may be a little different. That's why it's very important to look for that doneness in that color and how firm the shrimp is. All right, so step 1 is done just about. I think we've got very good color. You see that? That's what you're looking for in this shrimp. I'm going to set my timer off. That was about 1.5 minutes more. Turn it over, make sure they're all nice and pretty and pink. Look at that. Good looking shrimp. Now it says add the remaining olive oil, right, and heat for 1 minute. Add the vegetables and sprinkle with the remaining seasoning and saute for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. So in go the vegetables. There goes the seasoning. There comes a big old spoon. And I'm going to increase my heat just a little bit. And this flavoring on the bottom is fine. You're just kind of scraping that off. Now, sometimes You may need just a little more olive oil if you see that happening. Let's add a little bit more. And you can always turn the heat down as needed. Alright, the time has gone by, and then our next step says reduce the heat to medium. I'm going to go a little bit below. Once again, pans are different. Know your pan. And add the noodles and the sauce. So, I would always add the sauce first, folks. I know it says noodles and sauce, but noodles will stick. I would go with the sauce first. This is nice to have these pre-cooked. Stir that in. And once again, this is a good time. If you have any sticking on the bottom, it comes right up. A little scrape right there. Adds that flavor back in. We'll stir that really well. Get those noodles fully incorporated. Alright, we got that, and I think that's well stirred in now. It says minutes, so we're going to set our timer for 1 minute. And I'm going to reduce my heat all the way to low. I don't want it to simmer too hard. Man, this smells good. Well, the timer's gone off. It says add back the shrimp and saute an additional 1 minute, stirring occasionally. Shrimp's back in. That's thickening nicely. This is going to be a very delicious dish when it's all said and done. Alright, we are finished. I'll turn off the heat. It says divide evenly among 2 bowls. Hey everybody, it took about 15 minutes, like it said, to get this prepped, put on the stove, cooked, and in a bowl. Ready to try some now. Alright, let's try the shrimp first. That looked really good. This came with the tail on. I want the extra fiber. Folks, that is really good. Very unique taste, that Thai cooking. Let's get a little bit of the carrot and the noodles here. That looks really good. One thing you can't do is eat noodles delicate, can you? Not a graceful dish. It's a lot of fun. There we go. Heck yeah. Oh, great directions. Food came out delicious. Check out the Fresh Market. $18 to $20 is a range. Better than fast food. You can get it cooked the same amount of time it takes you to sit there in line. Pick it up something. Healthy for you too. Great for just a couple. Hope everybody enjoyed. Heck yeah, check out Fresh Market for this dish. This is the Thai coconut shrimp and other fantastic ready-to-go meals. Bring them home, cook them. Have a great day.